Are you going to eat it?
It's for Daddy.
Say, that's the one I picked out.
That's what I picked out.
Could I have this one?
No.
Why?
This one's for Daddy.
Oh, that one's for Daddy?
Yeah.
Which
Okay.
one's for Grandma?
That one.
That one? Okay. That one doesn't have very many sprinkles.
Which one's for Tankies?
This one.
No, doggies don't eat
Doggies
cookies.
can't eat sugar. Well, Grandma can. Ooh, and Mommy's been eating the cookie dough before it got cooked.
Don't tell her my secrets.
Is it good, Lex?
Look at Daddy.
Is it good?